Y'all, water is not enough for me. So welcome back, you guys. This is Donna. Malachi.
That's right.
Tell them who you are. Malachi.
Your husband.
And then we got Joy over here yarning. She's sleepy. Is it past your bedtime, little mama? You want to go sleepy? So, guys, watermelon juice is really, really good. Everybody don't like watermelon. I love watermelon. But watermelon is really good for dehydration. And it keeps you really full. And since we're on this juice journey to reset our bodies,
Right now, I'm down to 112 pounds. I started at 219 pounds.
now we're at 212. And Malachi started at 279.
Yeah.
Now you at what?
What? 265.
Now he's at 265. Guys, we're moving at a high rate of speed that we have to document this just to show you juicing helps, and it helps reset the body. I deal with fibromyalgia and lupus, and these are the things that's helping me with my body. So I hope it helps you also too. So I have a bowl of watermelon. Actually, I have more of it. If this is not enough, a bowl of watermelon. Got mint leaves, cucumber. I don't know how many I need, so I got 2. And we're gonna start with juice. So what should I do first, honey?
I think you might want to put the
Watermelon first, right?
yeah, the watermelon. That's fine.
Okay. We're gonna start with the watermelon first. I had a spoon. I think my cameraman just be moving stuff, y'all. Do you guys have it's really good having a helpmate, you guys. Let me put this up here before I make a mess. It's really good having a helpmate because he helps you, but sometimes he be helping way too much, sometimes don't. Sometimes you put stuff down, you come back and move, but they stuff is still there, okay? They'll tell you, you need to put your stuff up, but their stuff is still in the same spot. Well, as I said, well, you give them out too much information, young lady. Okay, got the watermelon in there. Put it up here. There you go. Then I got my cucumber. I'm gonna just cut it in big chunks because this juicer blends very well. I was planning on making a lot, but we're not gonna make a lot.
Put the lid back on, sweetie. And go ahead and
How
juice
many?
that.
How many?
What I would do is I would probably juice what you have.
Oh, I'm gonna do a little bit.
Or you would put the mint leaves with it.
Yeah,
Okay.
a little bit. We'll see. Cause this is our first time actually doing this. So I made watermelon juice before, but not. This just sounds like a really good combination. Any kind of combination. You can make up anything. This is so right now it's juicy, as you can see right here. Oh, look at it, it's going pretty fast. Look how much watermelon juice it is. How much watermelon I have. This is a
All right,
I said
drink.
oh, you're right. A quarter of a part of a watermelon. And then with this juicer, you're going to put the seeds and everything in here. It doesn't make a difference. With this one right here, it separates everything. It juices everything. Whatever you put in there, it's going to juice. Look how it is. Perfect. And as you can see, it's not much coming out. Or not that much pulp. So I hope this is enough mint. This is a real quick juice. I'm going to give you the benefits of each one of these. The mint leaf, the benefits of mint leaf, the benefits of watermelon, and the benefits of cucumber. And each one of these are good, and even when you eat them by yourself, but together they make a beautiful, beautiful sweet tasting juice. So we're still waiting for that little piece of that. Okay, we're gonna put the rest of this watermelon in there. So like I said, it depends on how much watermelon. Ooh, almost had a whoopsie. That's really it. It's my husband's favorite word. That's really it. We might get some t-shirts made. That's really it. Okay. Okay. Let's see. The rest of this watermelon in there. Ooh, how's the weather down you guys' way? What kind of juices have you guys made? Uh-oh. Got some little chunks gonna be in the juice. What kind of juice? Do you guys juice? Have you guys ever been on a 40-day juice fast or a 21-day, 3-day, 5-day? Put another cucumber in there. Cut another piece of mint leaf. How much of it?
A little bit more.
Okay, a little bit more. Mint leaf smells so good. This is really good for when dealing with fibromyalgia and lupus. I get nauseated quite often, and mint is really good for nausea. It really helps me. So this will be my first time trying this one. I need a picture. Is that picture coming?
No, put them in the jar too.
It's not going to be a perfect mixture. So can you rest it up?
Okay, turn the machine off.
Okay. So while my helpmate is over there helping me out, I'm waiting on him. Let's try this a little bit. Get some water. That's my favorite drink, actually, is water. I'm going to taste this a little bit. Yep. Tasting it. It's pretty good. I think I put too much cucumbers in here, so I'm definitely going to have to put some more watermelon in here. Because I tasted the cucumber really took, I tasted a whole lot of cucumber in this first tiny batch. There you go. Thank you. It's right behind you if you're looking for the dry towel. Do this out the way. So this first part, I taste a lot of cucumber in this. I like my watermelon juice to take more like watermelon. I like more watermelon than I like cucumber. So my helpmate is going to hand me that piece of watermelon right there. Thank you, helpmate. Okay. Thank you, sweetheart. We got Joe over here wishing I could just drop something on the floor. Wishing I could drop something. Yeah, my dog, she loves watermelon. Usually sometimes I'll leave just a small amount inside of one of these watermelons, and I'll just sit it down and let her just go for what she knows. She come up, her whole face is red. So since she has a white beard, kind of looks kind of messy, and we have to go ahead and give her a bath right quick. She's a messy eater. Do you guys if you have a dog, do your dog eat way too fast? Do you have any tips on tried so many different things for this dog to eat way slower. She eats too fast.
Try this one.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. She eats way too fast. So, a little bit dragging a little bit because I sleepy. I was getting a little bit sleepy. Okay. We're gonna, oh! I'm making a pound of mess this time. Let's try this juice. Mix some more in here. And my wonderful helpmate can hand me that blue top. I truly appreciate it. It is really good, guys, having a helpmate. It really is. It's really a blessing. I'm telling you. A blessing from God. I'm telling you. Thank God.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, wonderful watermelon juice. Ooh, like me some watermelon juice. This is my first time trying it with the mint. And I know cucumbers. I think it's cucumber. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check it out. But I noticed this one drink. Oh, it tastes so good. I gotta look at the recipe. It's this Hispanic cucumber drink. It is so delicious. I'm gonna have to get the recipe and make that at home. It is really good. Have you tried it? Some kind of, it's a cucumber
Oh
drink.
yeah, it's delicious. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, it's really good. I'm gonna try this one.
Better.
Oh no, I haven't tried it yet. It's still the first one. So, guys, how do you pick your watermelon? Me, mine have to sound like a drum. No, this don't sound like a drum. This sounds kind of like it's not as sweet. Let's turn this off. Let's turn this off. Okay, let's try it. My husband is licking his lip. He ready for some drink. Drinking pool. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that juice. Shake that juice. Y'all, I was doing the most. Okay, y'all, let's get a dog a little juice because she looking like she's real thirsty. There you go. Okay. Give me some hand sanitizer. Put my hand. I don't know what she did, okay? And that's called TV, y'all. Here you go, sweetheart. Ooh,
No, that's my try the juice.
mm.
I'm curious.
Okay.
Let me see what it tastes. Just give me a little bit because I have an idea. I might try something else.
Like what?
Just want to see what it tastes like.
Okay. Let's try a little bit.
That's enough. Tastes better? Yeah.
Probably need way more watermelon.
Yeah.
Taste it.
Maybe that was too much cucumber.
No, I think it's too much. The cucumber and the watermelon. So, need way more watermelon juice, huh?
Yeah, I don't like the I don't like the way it tastes.
It's not a
No, not at all.
good mixture.
Well, it's the
Is it a thumbs up or thumbs down?
well. I think it's a.
He want show him the thumb.
It's a thumb down.
Okay, me it's like, but
Yes.
it's real many though. I think I put too much mint, huh?
Yeah, we might have to.
No,
to,
I'm gonna do the rest of this
yeah.
and see what.
No, not with this. Not on this. But let's go ahead and go back to the drawing board on this one.
Or what?
On this mixture of juice.
This I'm gonna do. I'll put some more of this in.
Yeah, I don't think if you, whatever you even put another watermelon in, I think it still would taste the same.
Let me see.
I don't like the way it tastes.
I'm gonna tell you what messed it up. The mint.
Too much.
Actually, kind of tastes. Actually, it tastes kind of.
I mean, if you like mint. But,
Yeah, if you like mint,
but, I mean, you
it's
know,
a different taste. I
Yeah.
tell you, but it's not that
Bad.
bad. But it's not that bad.
I
But
wouldn't-
it tastes pretty good too.
yeah, I wouldn't make it again. I mean,
Yeah, I
for me,
would.
For me.
I would have straight watermelon juice. Now, I love
Yeah.
watermelon juice, so.
Yeah, but not. I don't like the mint. So mine is
I think I put too much mint.
it could have.
Actually, it tastes kind of good though. That's just wearing on me. It's kind of tastes like got a little sweet,
Yeah, it's sweet.
but you know it might taste better cold. That's what it is.
Is that right?
Yeah, probably. It's real super sweet, guys. So,
I don't like it.
well, we both got different tastes. He said potato, I said potato. Whatever. Whatever. Like I said, it's not my favorite, but it's okay. It's not. But if it does all that, I'll drink it.
So what do? Are you giving it a thumbs up?
Yeah, I'm going back with the thumbs up because
Okay.
it's helping me. All that, I need all that, okay? I need that.
So 1 thumbs up and 1 thumb down.
No, he gonna have a thumbs up, trust me. Trust me, he will. He's just talking all that. Wait till these cameras go off, okay? I need all this right here. This is what I need for my body. Instead, French fry, hamburger, sweet potato fry. There's something how they tell you, oh, just eat the sweet potato fry. Oh, like that's even healthier. Being fried in oil. Seriously, it's not being baked. Hello. You know, this is the best form. Raw fruit. But not for a long extended period of time. Depends. Everybody's body is different. But at least to reset the body back into its natural form. So guys, I'm gonna clean up this mess and I'm gonna go Betty bye. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe, hit your notification bell, make a comment, and what other kind of juice you guys want us to do, or what else you guys want to see on our videos. Because we're new at this. Look, we're new. I had enough of, waiting. It's our time, it's our season. And look, Joy sleepy too. I'm sure you guys enjoy. Say good night, Mama. Good night, everybody. Wave.